The advantage of constraining the points together makes it simpler to modify them. For example, if I take my handcart and move that point, it moves all four of them, or moves those up there as well. You can add driving dimensions to any of these points to drive the whole string of points that they're related to if you like. Next, we're going to go to tank regulation. Now the software wants you to select the target to regulate. It's going to be that right there. When you do this, the system creates an arrow showing the direction that these vertical water lines will appear. If the arrow is pointing up towards your molding surface, you can simply say OK. Now it wants you to select your points. Here you could also create points or make a propagation of points, but since we've created them ahead of time, let's just window select them. Now the software wants to know if you want to project those points to a specific face. If we created these points dynamically, for example, within the function, they'd be created up on this current plane, and you'd want to project them down to the bottom face of the block. But because we've already created our points ahead of time, we can simply say OK. Next, the software wants to know what diameter you want to use for your water line, as well as what the upper length is, and remember this is an extension length, what the bottom angle is for the drilling, as well as what the offset distance is from the molding surface. Here I'm going to set my offset distance to 1/4 of an inch, and say OK. Here you can see that the drillings all came up within a 1/4 inch of the molding surface.